So see here, insert images from the file. File means where you have saved, okay, from this device. If any pictures are available in your laptop or in your computer, definitely you can take any picture. And online pictures, so directly it will go with the online, means it will connect to Google Chrome or something like that. See here, you can search it, okay. So you can just search and you will get different images online. So just select it and click on insert. Okay, isn't it? Understood? So this is how you insert from online. If you are having a net connection to your PC or to your laptop, just go to insert tab and click on pictures. If the pictures are on your device, just click on this device. And if pictures you have to download from online pictures, you can click on online pictures. But make sure if it is online pictures or if it is from device, whatever the pictures you are selected, that should be in either in your computer. If it is from online, net connection must be there. Okay, this is how you insert a picture from a file or from a PC or a laptop. Okay, and next, what are the other ways? I told scanned image. If you scan any image, you can directly, since right now I don't have any scanner with me, I can't. Got it? And next, from the clipboard means, suppose if you copy any image, you can directly paste it. Suppose, wait, I will show you. Wait a minute. Suppose I am copying a document. I'm just copying it. I just copied an image. Whatever the image is on desktop, now I'll click on paste. If I click on paste, I'll get an image automatically. Can you see it? Can you see it? So I just copied the image which is on desktop and I am pasting it. Okay, and even you can drag and drop, means just select the image and just directly make it from the, one second. Okay, so if there is any image on your desktop, you just minimize the screen, drag and drop it. అంటే ఏంటంటే దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని whatever the window is there in your Word, you can just paste it on that. Okay, simply you can paste it. And what are these icons available, so that you can increase or decrease the picture shape. Okay, either you can increase or decrease the picture size. Okay, and even you can change the angle also by using this. Understood? I want some gap. What I have to do? Okay, so even for this also I can change the angle. See here, with the text wrapping, options are present here in line with the text and all. Okay, and next, clip art, where you can insert, means some pictures will be there, where you can see here. So see, already here some layouts are present in this which you can choose whatever you wish to, and you can just drag and drop it. It will be pasted. See here. Okay. If you want any image in between, or if you want to enter the text, you can just enter it. Okay. These are the symbols or default items. And next, shapes. You can insert some shapes, and you can even give more highlighter versions for your document, like shapes. Different shapes will be present. Okay. And for this, if you observe, you are getting a new tab called as format tab, and this format tab will come only if you select any text, or if any changes if you want to make for a table or for any figures, then only you will get this format tab options, else you will not get. See now, is it format tab available now? It's not available. So if you are doing any changes, then only you will get a format tab. Okay, see. And in this format tab, you can change the colors. And outline also you can change, whatever the inside pictures, smileys are there, you can give. Okay, and 3D effects, backside you can get it. See, how is the picture now? You are getting a shade. Okay. So these are different options for the shape, and even the same can be applied for this also. So go to format, shaping effects, go to 3D rotation or anything, whatever you want. Okay, you can select anything. Okay, so whatever the changes we apply, it will be coming. And next, so how you have to resize an image or rotate an image? Just see here, the circles are present, just drag and drop it for the size increase or for size decrease. Okay, just hold it any point, at any point it will be. But if you are dragging and dropping it at the corner, then the picture will either increase its size or decrease its size equally. Okay, if I am doing in between, what happens is only some part, and that too, it will not increase its size equally, uniformly it will not increase. Okay, so if you are moving at corners, then only the image size will increase uniformly, else it will be in the form of rectangle. Only either length or breadth will be increased, it won't come like a square. Okay, and how about decreasing the size? I told you decreasing the size is easy, just drag and drop it. Okay, if you are doing plus, it will increase its size, and if you are doing minus, it will decrease its size. Okay, and for drawing an objects, I showed you how you are making it. Just go to insert tab, go to any shapes, just select whatever you wish to, and make it. So I want this in the upper part. What I have to do? Just use this icon and change it, so that you can change the position of that particular figure. And if you want to increase the size, just drag and drop it. Okay, pull and push. And if you want to apply any effects, just go to shape and effects, and click on any option whatever you wish to. Before, the background thing is not there, that shape is not there. Now you can see. Okay, and even you can change the color. Just go to shape fill and choose any color of your choice. Okay, now check here. Now I'm moving all these images separately, but if I want to move 3 images at the same time, there is one option we can use, that is called as grouping the objects. So what I will do is I will draw some shapes here. I'm inserting some shapes. So if I want to move these positions, what I have to do is I have to select each image, then only I have to move it. But if I want to move all the 3 at the same time, what I have to do is I have to click on object. So for that, what you have to do is use control and select the 3 images. If you select 3 images, what happens is see here in format option, in arrange a group, you are getting this group. If you click on this group, see now the 3 images are converted into one, and see if you are increasing or decreasing the size, all the 3 are making it together. If you don't want that to happen, again go to that arrange group and click on ungroup, and it will be ungrouped. Okay, so that the 3 images will be different, and you can change the size individually. But if you want to change the size together, you have to ungroup it. Group, it will come on the all. If it is ungroup, just click on ungroup. Okay, see here. Is that fine? Is that fine? Understood? If there is any doubt, let me know. Please type it. Please type it if you are having any doubt. So bring forward option is there, bring front, so that it will, see here, it is overlapping one with another. Okay, this is bring forward option is there where you can bring it. For that, you have to select what you want to see. So send background, send to back, so that it is visible after this. See here, it is there. Okay, so if you want to overlap also, you can. These are present in arrange group. See here, bring forward, send backward. In this, you can use it. And suppose if text, if any text is available, one second, I'll copy some text and I'll show you. So I copied here, and what I want to do is I want all these pictures in a proper format. Here it is overlapping and I am not able to see. Then what you can do is go to format, send it background. And this is called as wrapping the text. If you want to insert any text in between the text, then you can use this wrapping the text. See here, wrapping the text tight means it will insert the image uniformly. Okay, taking the margins properly. And one more, top and bottom, where the text will be top to the image and also down to the image. And next, through means it will be through the text. See here. Okay. And next, tight means it also works as through only, but it will take equal columns. And next one, square. It will be in the form of a square option. Okay, and even you can align this text. See here, align is there, align left, align center, align right, and also align middle. The middle of the page it will take, not here, it will take into the middle of the page. Align top, so it is aligning at the top. Okay, so this is regarding your how to insert an image and how to wrap the text.